everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your third week of May reading, start from the 15th through the 21st of May 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Libra. So yeah, let's get into the reading. Let's see what's coming up for you guys for this week time, which has already started. I will be adding charms and I will be pulling out oracle cards as well in this reading, so stay tuned. We are starting off the week with Ace of Pentacles. So yeah, while I'm shuffling the cards, let me remind you that it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating with you in your situation and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. And yeah, let's get into the reading. Let's see what's coming up for you guys. You're starting off the week with Ace of Pentacles and Six of Swords. So somebody's taking very stable, like, you know, grounded actions towards something that you want. It can be you taking some serious actions towards something that you want. It can be another person, another person in your life who is taking serious actions towards you, towards cementing something that you have with this person. It can be, again, you or the energy of the person that you are dealing with. So I feel like, you know, there is some sort of stable, grounded energy heading towards you in your life. It can be coming in your love life, it can be coming in your work life situation as well. For some of you, you might be receiving some sort of a financial opportunity coming from an overseas, is what I'm picking up. And you would love to pursue that. Let's take one more card with it. But you know, I feel like, you know, it's not coming. It's just that you really want it, but it's not happening. Because again, there is something that you're not letting go of, which is why the delays are happening in that realm. So for majority of you, you really need to take the practical steps towards what you want. Because I feel like, you know, there is something which you are holding on to, which is causing the delays in that area of your life, especially when it comes to your finances, career, and all those things. Let's see more cards. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Two of Pentacles, you're being indecisive, and then there is King of Swords energy, okay, and then Page of Wands, okay. Underneath the deck, you do have the Lovers. I feel like, you know, whatever you want, whatever you desire, you can have it if and only if you focus on the other area of your life. If there is certain things that are happening or that you want to cement in your work life area, you really have to start focusing on your love life area. If it's opposite for you, like maybe you are to focus on your love life area, and there are certain things that you want to pursue in your love life area, but then if you focus on your work and career, that area of your life is going to start moving forward as well. So whatever it is that is stuck in your life, be that in your love life or be that in your work life, that energy showed up for I think another sign too. And I think last week's reading, so maybe it was you, I don't remember exactly, but yes, whatever it is that is stuck in your life right now, try to focus on the other area of your life which is moving. That's how the other area of your life which is stuck is also going to start moving, because you would not be too focused on what is not happening, what is not moving, what is like stagnant. And that's how you you know, release the pressure that you have around it. So I do see that, you know, for majority of you, it's something that you're curious to work out in your work and career zone. There is some, you know, career goals, there is some financial goals that you are looking up to, but you are unable to have it, unable to pursue that, because there are certain things which you are stopping in your life, or which you are not taking actions towards, which is the reason why the delays are happening. I feel like, you know, if there is something that you want to work out in your work and career, you really have to focus on your love life for that, because I feel like, you know, the person who is, you know, entering in your love life is going to prove to be lucky for you, which is going to bring you luck and abundance and finances. So yeah, let's take some cards for your love life specifically. Let's see what it has to add to the reading. What is coming up for you for your love life for this week time? What is it going to be coming for you for your love life for this week time? Ten of Swords, Six of Wands, the Moon, and the Lovers. Underneath the deck, you do have Three of Wands. I feel like, you know, you have been running away from love life decisions or love life situations. Again, being too focused on your work and career, your career growth and all those things. But it's high time. The universe is asking you to take actions towards something stable in your love life. Once you do that, once you choose your love life over your work life, your life is going to change. Your things that are stagnant are going to change. I feel like, you know, there is some sort of karmic cycle that has your love life involved, which there is something that you need to do in your love life, which is going to set you free to do something or to have something in your work life or in other areas of your life as well. I do see that there is some sort of karmic which you need to get done with before you could have something in other areas of your life that you desire. So let's take some oracle cards now. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. If you have been holding yourself and not expressing your love, thinking like, okay, fine, if my work life is going to work out, I will, you know, share that or I will express my love to this person. If this happens only, then I will be like, you know, doing this and that. If you have been holding on, you know, certain things, certain areas of your life, thinking, then, you know, it's like, you know, many people do this, like, you know, if you relate your happiness and everything to the other thing or other person, it's like, you know, that's how you basically block things from happening. So what you need to do is take actions, express love. If you know who it is that you love or who you want to be with, express the love. Don't hold yourself back thinking like, no, first I have to work on this and then only I will express my love. No, you really have to express your love, and then it was going to add luck to your work life situations as well. So just try expressing your love to the person that you love and see these things changing in your life otherwise as well. Let's take one more card from this deck and then we will take charms. Organization. Your plans are not are on target, and everything will flow more smoothly if you add a little organization and discipline to your methods. Again, it's like, you know, maybe your priority is something that needs to reorganize. Like, you know, you are too focused on this area and that area is still not working. So change your mind, change your thoughts, organize or reorganize the plans that you have for yourself, and that's how you are going to get better in, like, you know, leading towards what you want. The key to success is to allow your creativity to be gently guided by logic. Be open to asking for help from someone very intellectual or seek out a mentor. Whatever it is that is blocked or delayed in your life, you really need to seek guidance from the universe, from maybe spiritual healer, tarot reader, whatever you believe is, psychic person. I feel like, you know, there is something that you are doing wrong. You are maybe you need to change your perspective. Maybe you need to change the way you are prioritizing your life. Maybe your work life is your priority, it should be your love life. You know, maybe your love life is your priority when it should be your work life. So it's going to be different for different people, but there is something which you really need to organize before you could have what you desire, what you seek in your life. So if you need any guidance, if you need any help from me or any other tarot reader, you can reach out to them or reach out to me as well. Check the description box before you do that, because I don't do any service for free. So yeah, let's take some charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys. Let's see. So you do have 3 alphabets. You do have the D. It could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. Then you do have a J, D, J, and M. So these could be the name initials of the person that you should seek guidance from. It doesn't have to be a, you know, it can be a family member too for some of you as well. So just seek guidance. If you feel stuck somewhere, you need guidance for sure. I do see travel is involved. Maybe for some of you, you are waiting for some sort of you know, work related project to get done from, you know, from abroad, from where you are. You know, it's something at a distance from you right now. So you are waiting for things to work out, you know, with that one thing which is at a distance, but you are ignoring what is happening in the current situation, which is or could be the reason why things are blocked in that distant thing as well. So things are going to change, but for that you really have to things are going to change, but you really have to again reorganize, you know, reorganize everything. You do have hospital. For some of you, you could be a doctor or somebody, maybe you are somebody who has applied for a job or, you know, overseas, around those lines, the medical profession for some of you. you have forgotten the real you somehow. It's like I can feel the vibe of a person who has you really need to look within, because there is something that you're doing exactly the opposite of what you truly desire from within. So just try to understand that. I hope that too is going to help you in one way or the other to deal with it. And it's going to help you become strong. And I feel like, whatever it is, you feel like, you are having a mask on, thinking that it's like whatever it is that you're trying to hide away from within. It's something that's going to strengthen you even further, but you feel like it's going to be a weakness, or it is a weakness for you. In actuality, it's going to add strength to who you are. It's going to make you a stronger person, emotionally, mentally, and physically too. So just try to listen to what you got to say to yourself from within. Pull out or pull off the mask that you're wearing right now. You don't have to lie to yourself. It's not about others, it's about you and yourself. So try to be true to yourself, and that's how you're gonna make things easy for yourself in your life. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always do that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.